everyone, it's Justin VTV here, coming with another banger video. Today I'm going to be opening up one of these 10 packs. So they come with 2 packs. So let's go. Set you guys up like that. No! Hold it. Okay. Is it? Can you see me?
I can see your hands.
Okay, good. Okay. These things are so hard to open. I just like to cut it up like that. There we go. Got it. So let's see what I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna pick a random pack. Okay. Just like it looks like. Bruh. Yes, it's fine. I got one of these Silver Tempest. I got a Silver Tempest. That was one of the cards I wanted. The packs I wanted. Actually, no, it was, yeah, Silver Tempest. But, Scarlet and Violet I am terrible with. Like pack opening wise. I hate the, one in the back like that. I hate that they changed it like that. I never pull anything from Scarlet and Violet. See? Oh, I pulled a holo, actually. Well, you're guaranteed a holo in every single pack. But Scarlet and Violet, guys, from Sword and Shield, I am goated with. Like, I like it how it's 4 from the back. You can get TCG packs and stuff. I just like it. That's all. And, darn it, I didn't pull anything. Well, that's going to be the end of today's video. And peace.